Hello, good evening. Good evening, Thyme. Good evening. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, good evening. And welcome again to our class for today. How are you today, Thyme? How are you? Are you happy?
Happy.
Okay, very good. Let's say, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, let's say, I'm, I'm.
Happy.
Okay, very good. Okay, so are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay, very good. So now, before we start our lesson, so let's have a quick icebreaker. So for you to be able to remember the abilities that we had learned, so let's try to do it right now. So Timey, let's stand up. Can you stand up, Timey? Let's stand up.
立ち上がって、これまで学
Can
ん
you
でき
stand
た
up
能
like
力を
this?
発揮し
Let,
よ
let's stand up. Stand up. Okay. How to... Okay, let's stand up, Timey. For us to practice the abilities that we had learned. Okay, stand up, stand up. How to... Wait, I'm just gonna... I will just adjust my camera. Okay, so let's stand up. Stand up. Can you stand up? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so let's first do run. 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 Can
Yeah.
you run? Run. Let's run. Run. So this is run. So let's say run. 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 Okay, do it. Run. This is run. Okay, so next we have hop. Hop. Jump. Hop. Hop. Okay, very good. Let's say hop. 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 Okay, very good. That is hop. And next is, what do we have next? Our next ability is swim. Swim. How do you swim? Swim, 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 swim. Okay, show teacher, how do you swim? Swim, swim. Okay, very good. And for the last one, we have walk. So walk. Let's walk. Walk, walk. How do you walk? Then, can you hear teacher? So walk, walk, walk. Okay, very good. So let's try to do it again all together. So first, run, run. First is run. Yes, very good. Next is hop, hop, hop. Okay, very good. Next is swim. Swim time. Swim, swim. Okay, very good. Swim. And last one is walk. Walk, walk. Okay, very good. So now we can again go back to our seat. Okay, let me just adjust my camera. So very good. So nice job. So that is how we do our abilities. Okay. So you can also so you can also practice the abilities that we do or we did with your mommy and daddy for you to be able to remember how we can do it in real life. And actually, all of the abilities that we done or we did, so you already know how to do that. Okay, so that means you can run, you can hop, you can swim, and you can hop. Okay, so very good. So thank you so much. So now, let's continue our lesson for today. So we have here an activity about our about our lesson. So let me just play some sound here. so that we can be able to answer this activity. Okay, so let me just open.
Page 58. C.
Okay, can you hear the
Listen,
sound?
ask, and answer. Then
Yes.
practice.
Can zebras run?
Can zebras run?
Yes, they can.
Can penguins run?
No, they can't.
Can't. Cannot.
1,
Can zebras run? Yes, they can. Can zebras hop? No, they can't.
No, they
Can
can't.
zebras swim? Yes, they can. Can zebras walk? Yes, they can.
Okay, so now let's have this first animal that we have. Okay, Thyme, again, what animal is this? What animal?
これは何の動物ですか？
What animal?
Zebra.
Okay, wow, very good. That's nice. So this is a zebra. So now, can zebras run? Yes or no? Can zebras run? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure? They can run? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, let's listen to number 1 again. So let's listen.
Cannot.
Can zebras run? Yes, they can.
Okay, so now Thyme, can zebras run? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So let's say yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. Next, can zebras hop? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's listen to the audio again.
Can zebras hop? No, they can't.
One more
Yes, they
time.
can. Can zebras hop? No, they can't.
Okay, so Thyme, can zebras hop? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, let's say no, they can't.
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. So next, can zebras swim? Can zebras swim? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure? Okay,
No.
let's again listen.
Can zebras swim? Yes, they can. Zebras swim?
Yes,
Yes, they
I
can.
can.
Okay, wow, very good. One more time. Can zebras swim? Thyme?
Yes.
Yes, they. Yes, they. Let's say yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. Last one. So let's listen to the last one.
Can zebras walk? Yes, they can. Zebras walk? Yes, they can.
Okay, can zebras walk, Thyme? Yes or no? Can zebras walk? Yes or no? Can
Yes.
zebras walk? Yes,
Yes.
they can.
Can.
Okay. So now let's practice again. Answering or how we can answer yes or no. So for yes, let's say yes, they can. Yes, they
Yes,
can.
they can.
Okay, let's try to say it 3 times. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Yes, they can.
Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. So that is how we answer if our answer is yes. If our answer is no, so we will say no, they can't.
They can't.
Okay, let's say no,
No,
they can't. They. Okay, very good. So let's try to say it 3 times. No, they can't. No, they can't. No, they can't.
no, they can't. No, they can't. No, they can't.
Okay, very good. So good job. So now let's move on to our next animal. Okay, let's listen to this animal.
2.
And
To okay, first, Thyme, what animal is this? What animal? It's an
alone.
Look at the picture. What animal is that? This one. So it has a big ears. What is the name of this animal? It's an
It's
elephant. Let's say elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant.
elephant, elephant, elephant.
Okay, again, try me. What animal is this? What animal? What is the name? What is the name of this animal?
この動物の名前は何ですか？
Elephant.
Very good. Good job. This is an elephant. Okay, so now let's listen to what elephants can do.
Can elephants run? Yes, they can. Can elephants hop? No, they can't. Can elephants swim? Yes, they can. Can elephants walk? Yes, they can.
Okay, so now let's try to answer it ourselves. So let's take a look at this first ability. So Thyme, can
Ability.
yes, first ability. So Thyme, can elephants run? Yes. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's say yes, they can. Yes, they can. Yes, they can.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
can.
They can.
Okay, yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
One more time. Let's say yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. So next, can elephants hop? Can elephants hop? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
No, very good. No, no, they can't.
No, they can.
Can't. Let's say can't.
Can.
No, they can't. No, they can't. No, they can't.
No, they can. No, they can. No, they can.
Okay, very good. So no, elephants can't hop because elephants are very big and their bodies are very heavy. So they cannot jump, unlike us, peoples or people. So we can hop. Okay. So next, can elephants swim? Can elephants swim? Can elephants swim? Swim.
Yes,
Yes, they.
can.
Okay, very good. One more time.
Yes, they
Can
can.
can can elephants swim?
Yes, they can.
Oh, wow, very good. Good job. So yes, they can. So last one. Can elephants walk? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
they.
they can.
Wow, very good. Good job. So, yes, they can. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next animal. Oh, look, What animal is this?
この動物の名前は何ですか？
Penguin.
Very good. Penguins. Let's say penguins.
Penguin.
Okay, perfect. So now let's listen to what penguins can do, or what are the abilities of penguins.
3.
Penguin.
Can penguins run?
No, they can't.
Can penguins hop?
Yes, they can.
Can penguins swim?
Yes, they can.
Can penguins walk?
Yes, they can.
Okay, one more time.
Yes, they can.
Penguins run.
No, they can't.
Can penguins hop?
Yes, they can.
Can penguins swim?
Yes, they can.
Can penguins walk?
Yes, they can.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this animal. So what animal is this again? Thymie? These are
These are
penguins.
penguin.
Okay, very good. So now, Thymie, can penguins run?
Penguins.
Yes or no? No, they.
Can. No, they can.
Very good. One more time. Let's say can't. Can't.
Can. No, they
No.
can.
Very good. Nice job. So next, let's take a look at the second ability. Can penguins hop? Yes or no? Can
Yes.
penguins hop?
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. Wow, good job. You are learning to say yes, they can, and no, they can. So next, can penguins swim? Can penguins swim? Yes or no?
Yes, they can.
Very good. Yes, they can. And last one, can penguins walk? Can penguins walk? Yes or no?
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. So yes, they can. So very good. Wow, you did a great job. So now, let's go to number 4. Okay, what is the name of this animal? Thymie.
この動物の名前は何ですか？
What's the name of this animal? This is...
This
Is this a teddy bear? Yes or no?
bear.
Very
Bear.
good. It's a bear. Yes, very good. This is bear. So now let's listen to the abilities of the bears.
On the bear.
4.
Can bears run?
Yes, they can.
Can bears hop?
No, they can't.
Can bears swim?
Yes, they can.
Can bears walk?
Yes, they can.
Okay,
4.
one more time.
Can bears run?
Yes, they can.
Can bears hop?
No, they can't.
Can bears swim?
Yes, they
Yes,
can.
Can bears walk?
Yes, they
Yes,
can.
they can. Okay, so now let's try to answer it ourselves. Okay, Thymie, can bears run?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
they can.
Very good. Yes, they can. Can bears hop?
No, I can't.
Okay, one more time. So good try. So let's say no, they can't.
They can.
Okay,
No,
one.
they can.
Okay, very good. Next, can bears swim? Can bears
Yes,
swim?
they can.
Very good. And last one, can bears walk?
Black.
Can bears walk? Yes or no?
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. Yes, they can. So very good. So that is the ability of bears. So they cannot hop. They can only run, they can swim, and they can walk. So very good. So next. Oh, let's have another animal. What animal is this? What is the name of this animal?
この動物の名前は何ですか？
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Very good. Good job. This is a kangaroo. Okay, so now let's listen to what kangaroos can do.
5.
5.
Can kangaroos run?
No, they can't.
Can kangaroos hop?
Yes, they can.
Can kangaroos swim?
Yes, they can.
Can kangaroos walk?
No, they can't.
Okay, one
Can
more time.
bears walk? Kangaroos hop?
No, they can't.
Can kangaroos run?
No, they can't.
Can kangaroos hop?
Yes, they can.
Can kangaroos swim?
Yes, they can.
Can kangaroos walk?
No, they can't.
Okay, so let's have this animal. Okay, again, what animal is this, Slimy? What animal is kangaroo? Very good. So now, Slimy, can kangaroos run? Can kangaroos run? Is it a yes or is it a no?
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. No, they can't. Can kangaroos hop?
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. Can kangaroos swim?
Yes, they can.
Very good. Yes, they can. Can kangaroos walk?
No, I can't.
Okay, one more time. Let's say
No, they can't.
no, they. Let's say they. No, they can't. One more time. Let's say no,
No,
they
they
can't.
can't.
No, they can't.
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. One more time. Can kangaroos walk?
Kangaroos walk. No,
Yes.
they
No?
can't.
Okay, very good. So no, they can't. Okay. So we shouldn't say no, I can't because it talks about us. So we will say
Oh.
no, they can't. Okay. So last one. Let's take a look first at this animal. What animal is this? Wow. Do you know what animal is this? What animal is that?
この動物の名前は何ですか？
What animal is that? Is that a worm?
Mm.
What animal is that? It's a snake.
Snake.
Okay, one more time. Let's say snake, snake, snake.
Snake.
Okay, very good. So we have here snake. Are you scared of snakes, Thymie? Are you scared?
Snake.
Yes, snake. Are you scared of snakes?
あなたはヘビが怖いですか？
Yes or no? Are you scared of snakes? Snakes are, yes, teacher is also scared of snake because snakes are very dangerous. They have venom and they can kill us by their venom. So we should stay away with snakes. But first, let's know what abilities they can do. So let's listen to the last sound that we have here.
6.
6.
Can snakes run?
No, they can't.
Can snakes hop?
No, they can't.
Can snakes swim?
Yes, they can.
Can snakes walk?
No, they can't.
Okay, one more time.
Can snakes run?
No, they can't.
Can snakes hop?
No, they can't.
Can snakes swim?
Yes, they can.
Can snakes walk?
No, they can't.
Okay, so now let's answer some of
Page 58.
let's answer some of the abilities that the snakes has. So let's first take a look at this one. This first ability. Can snakes run?
Yes, no, I can.
Okay, one more time. Good try. So let's say, no, they can't.
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. One more time. Can snakes run?
No,
Yes or no? Can snakes run? No. No.
no, no, they can't.
Okay, very good. So no, they can't. Can snakes hop? Yes or no?
No,
No. Okay, no, they.
no, they can't.
Okay, very good. Can snakes swim?
Yes, they can't.
Very good. And last one, can snakes walk? Can snakes walk?
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. So no, they can't. So snakes can't run, they cannot hop, they cannot walk because snakes doesn't have legs like us. So we or snakes don't have legs. That's why they cannot run, they cannot hop, and they cannot walk. So they can just swim. Like what they are doing in the picture. So they are swimming. So that is their only ability. So swim. So very good. So good job. Very good, Thyme. So I can see that for this activity, you are able to answer yes, they can, and no, they can't, instead of answering just yes and no. So very good. So let's clap for ourselves. Clap. Very good, time. Okay, so now let's have another activity here. So let's take a look first at this animal. Thymie, what animal is this? What animal?
Honey.
What animal is this? What animal? It's snake.
Snake.
Okay, very good. One more time, Thymie. What animal is this?
Snake.
Snake. Very good. Now, Thymie, can snake walk? Can
Wow.
snakes walk? Yes or no? Can snakes walk? Can snakes walk? Yes or no? No, they.
No,
What is?
they kiss.
Okay, very good. Can snakes swim? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Yes. Yes, they.
Yes, they kiss.
Very good. Can snakes run?
No, they can't.
Very good. Can snakes hop? Can snakes hop?
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. So now let's listen to the sound that we have here.
Page 59. D. Listen and circle.
Listen a
1.
circle.
Snakes can swim.
Okay, one more time.
Can swim.
Listen and circle. 1.
Snakes can swim.
Okay, so for number 1, since you've answered Thymie, snakes can swim. So only the ability of the snake is swimming. So let's say snakes can swim.
Next time, swim.
Okay, very good. So good job for this lesson, Tiny. So I can see that it is already the end of our time. So we will just continue this lesson next Tuesday. Okay, Tiny.
Okay.
So okay, so wow, you did a great job today because you were very participative and also you are also able to answer yes they can and no they can. So very good. So nice job, Thaimi, and thank you very much for your time today and see you again soon. Goodbye, bye bye. Thank you, Thaimi. Goodbye. Bye bye bye. Goodbye, good night, and take care.
Yeah. Bye
Thank you. Thank you also, Thaimi. Bye bye.